nuclear plant, and kind of looks like these storm clouds are chasing us a little bit. But we're almost to San Luis Obispo Bay. Oh yeah, it's coming in pretty fast. Probably gonna get rained on for the anchor.
AI still can't do math or play chess. It's like the things that it has to do that you can only do things that like it can Google the internet, the entire internet for and figure it out. It's not good at new knowledge.
We're headed right over this way. Gotta get around this point into the protected harbor.
Every startup's adding AI to their thing. Like, oh, we're an AI thermostat now. Control the temperature with AI.
We are 9 minutes from the next waypoint, and then probably another 15-20 minutes from there until we're getting into the harbor.
If you want to invest in AI, there's all this like horde of money trying to find an AI investment. So if you just put AI on the end of anything, you can get some of that.
Full moon.
Okay, here's a simple AI problem. The auto helm will like steer right and left, automatically. But it's bad at predicting the swells, right? It's like some swells will tilt the boat over like 20 degrees to the right and then back again. In which case you don't have to steer at all. The auto helm always tries to counter it, and humans can do this pretty well. If you a good helmsman can like get a feel of it and be like, all right, I know when to turn, when not to turn. If AI could solve that, that'd be great.
How fast are we going? Oh, 5, 6. Oh,
But,
up to almost 9
Lewis,
knots.
the auto helm is doing a great job. I don't want to critique Lewis here. It's even if it's bad at swell prediction, it's doing an amazing job.
Look at that, smooth and steady. Way to go, Lewis. Way to go.
Fuck yeah, we appreciate you, Lewis.
It's so funny you named it Lewis.
Well, we had to, you know. God, that moon is so pretty.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think it is.